Welcome to Vedclass. Myself Piyush Kothia, founder and CEO of Vedclass. Today we are discussing about how we can use the online examination module. So for that we are taking some demo accounts. So what we have to provide, what we will provide into this module, online exam module. So first of all, we will provide a vedclass.com/app/global. Here is a one word global. You can make any your specific institute name one word letter. So we can make this URL for you. When we will activate this URL, you will get a one page like this, one page website, right? And your application, white label application. And for the new user, you have to go for the sign up, and if you are an old user, you have to go to sign in and just click on the sign in, right? This is the account which is used for admin purpose. We have three accounts measure. One is a admin, means principal account, another is a faculty account, and third one is a student account, right? So some of the principle also comes about in application how it's look like. So in application is almost the same like this one. It is a cross platform, so website and in application both are the same. It's look like this type in a application, right? So there is not any difference in the application or in a website, both are the same, right? So we will just go to the overview. What is we will provide into this module. In exam you can generate an online exam as well as generate a PDF from it. Class means your batches. If you have like 3 batches in 11th standard and two batches in 12th standard, so you can put make the classes as per according to their requirement. Faculty, it is a faculty that are available to your coaching. Theory means you can read a theory from it, right? It is also available to your student, so they can also read the theory of physics, chemistry, maths, biology. Live lecture, if you have a Zoom account, so we will integrate with your Zoom account with your this ID, so you can conduct a Zoom lecture using this portal, right? It will available, it is mostly available used in a COVID situation. Right now it is not much required for the institute. Video means if you have a YouTube videos and you have to arrange a YouTube library for your student, so you can make it from this tab or button, in which you can get literally one type of library of videos accessible to your student, so they cannot take a screenshot or a recording of the video. They just watch it through the mobile only. Bookmark means the video that is the question, if you have a like and you want to share with your student, so you can make a bookmark of the questions. All the bookmark questions are right now available into that particular tab, right? Unverified means whatever the students sign up or faculty sign up, they will come into that table. You have to verify one by one to every single person who is sign up into your account, right? Everybody sign up in the world, they all can they sign up, but what you have to verify that this person is from belonging to your institute or not. We have seen one page website over here, so how for managing it you can do it from here, right? The corporate website, one page website, the photo and gallery pop-up window, you can put images and videos from this button. Subscription means all your billing details will be given to over there. Account, in which you can get your personal details, your various social icons, Zoom integration. If you want to change a password, you can do it from here. If you want to upload a photo, then you can do it. Logo you can upload over there, right? And device list means how many various computers and laptop mobiles use this ID, right? So this is your device limit. So I hope you will get this overview of online examination module. We will conduct one by one video series for from class, exam, how to create class, exam, and various. So keep it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.